double discount. So let's say that I go to the game store.
Again?
Fine, I go to the Apple store.
Again?
I didn't go to the Apple store. All right, and I want to buy the iPhone, let's say
13.
9. Okay.
That's a 9? Since when?
All right.
8, not a 9.
So let's just pretend. Okay, we're pretending. The iPhone 9. Now, because it's not the latest iPhone 13, it costs less money. It's more on sale. Okay, so the iPhone costs. Okay, we're gonna stop. Let's see, it cost $900. Okay, it is on sale for 20% off. Okay, so it's on sale for 20% off. But wait, if you act now, have you guys ever seen those commercials that they sell things? Wow. So I just started with, have you seen that commercial? And automatically, Nicole, you say no. I didn't elaborate at all. You can see the future. Yes.
Are you telling us to be a commercial person when we're older?
No. iPhone 9 costs $900. It is on sale for 20% off. But if you buy it today, you'll get an additional 30% off. Now, I know this one's long, and this will be the only one that's this long, but we need to write it down so you understand when you take a quiz, you'll see it in this format. You'll see it in a word problem. Yep. Yay. So we have 2 discounts. Double discount, right? What's the first thing kids think we have to do? Add the percents, which is incorrect. You do not add the percents. It's not going to be 50% off. It's not going to be 20 plus 30 is 50. Oh, it must be 50% off. Your answer, okay, what's half of 900? What is it? 450, good. So if it's $900 and it's 50% off, that means it's 450, right? Okay, I'm going to show you that even though it's 20 and 30, we're not going to go to 450. It's not 50%. You cannot add these 2%. That's not how double discount works in the real world. Like if you go to the store and you get this deal, you're not getting 50% off. You might think you are, but you're not. And we're going to do the math. So how do I do this? You take each discount at a time and you start with the first one they gave you. You don't start with the 30, you start with the 20. Okay? Yes, it makes a difference which one you use first. So you always start with the first one. So first step, 900 times what? 0.2. Yes.
That shortcut you showed us is really useful.
Yes. And I'm about to show you another shortcut today. What's my second step? 900 minus 180, right? So multiply and then subtract. We're not using a calculator because this is pretty easy. If the numbers are fine, I won't let you use a calculator. If the numbers are harder, I'll let you use a calculator. 720, right? Yeah. So this is with our first discount. But if I buy it today, I get an additional 30. So now, step number 3, you take 720 now. That's your new price. You take 720, not 900. 900 is done. We're no longer using it. So we're taking this new price and we're going to multiply it by what? 0.3. our additional discount. Does everybody see what we did there? So we took our new price, and we're going to multiply it by our second discount, which is 30%. It's double the discount. 0, 6, 21, move it over 1. So I'm going to save $216 here, right? Okay, what's my fourth step? Subtract. So your new price for the iPhone 9, because it's an old version, is $504. So is it 50% off? No. It's more than 50. I mean, you don't save 50% at all, right? Like you're not saving as much as 50%. But as a customer, when you see 30 and you see 20, you're like, "Oh, what a deal. I'm saving 50%. Yeah, let's do it." And you don't realize that you're technically not even saving 50%. You're saving less than that. And that's why they set it up that way. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. The 2 seconds that took me to turn it off. I'm very impressed with your estimated time. You guessed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. All right. We okay? Yes. We're okay? Okay. So it's a lot of steps, huh? It's a lot of steps. This is like the first step, first discount. This is your second discount. Now I have a shortcut for you. Okay? I'm sorry. Jeez, okay. You're very rude today, people. All right. This is a shortcut for discount. Okay? This is a shortcut for discount. I showed you kind of some yesterday. I showed you the 10%, and I showed you, we'll just use a calculator, I guess. Now I'm going to show you, now I'm going to use the same problem. I'm going to use the same problem. What was it? It cost $900, right? And then it was 20% off and then 30% off. Yeah. So we're using the exact same problem. Why am I using the exact same problem? Because you already know the answers, right? So you know that at the end of a shortcut, you're supposed to get an answer of 504, right? So it's the same numbers, exact same numbers. 900, 20% off, 30% off, right? And I do this on purpose. We're using the same numbers. We already know the answer. Now we're just focusing on the shortcut. Okay, so the shortcut involves, if it's 20% off, if you're saving 20%, what percent are you actually paying then? 80%. So the store is like, okay, we'll take off 20%. You still have to pay 80%, right? So you use that thinking to do the first step. You do 900 times 0.8. The 80% you pay. So we don't focus on how much do they take off. We focus on what do we end up paying. So because 20 plus 80 is 100%, we're going to actually multiply by 0.8, the 80%. So do the math. 0, 0, 72, move it over 1 times. 720. Where do we see that in the last problem? The first new price, right? So we're skipping the how much are you saving. We're jumping to your new price. So if the question doesn't ask you for, hey, how much do you save? You can jump to this. If the question is just asking you, hey, what's the new price? Then just focus on the percent that you're paying, and you're done. It's a one-stepper. You don't have to subtract and all that. Okay, so if it's 30% off, what percent are you paying? 70%. So we're going to focus on the 70% instead of doing the multiple steps. So we take 720 and multiply it by 0.7. 70% is what you pay. Because they take 30% off, you're ending up with 70% to pay with. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 14. Carry the 1. 49.50. Seven times 7 is 49, plus the 1 is 50. Oh. I don't know what I'm saying half the time.
That's really cool, Miss Lonali.
It's a shortcut. For those who get it, get it. For those who don't, 4 steps. This is how you're going to do it. If you don't understand it, you're doing 2 steps. Multiply, subtract, you're done. For those of you who get it, you can use this on problems we were doing yesterday. Alright? It is what it is. Alright, let's try another one. Alright. Let's see, what do I want? What do I need to buy?
1,800.
Buy a comically large spoon.
It's car. A
Car?
Large
Yeah.
spoon.
Well, for all my home. Alright,
A comically large spoon. It's over like $40.
alright, let's say my, I know. My super cool backpack.
Stripes and stars and
Yeah.
blue.
Costs
Has the letter-
$65.
What do you mean? What? What?
Backpacks, some of backpacks are super expensive.
How much is it?
You could have bought a super.
I could get one out
You could have
raw.
bought a comically large spoon with that money. You could have bought 2.
But it's on sale
50% off.
for
40. 40.
40% off
Yeah.
plus
10%.
10% off. Okay? Is it
You really want
okay? So sale for 40% off plus 10% off. Is this going to be 50%? No, we already discovered it's not. Do not add, Jose, the percents. Do not add the percents. So, if you want to do the shortcut, do the shortcut. Instead of doing 40, you're going to do 60. Instead of doing 10, you're going to do 90. Go. For those of you who don't want to do the shortcut, cool, you're doing it with me. First step, which is harder. 65 times what? That's on your own. Jesus, what are we going to multiply by? 0.4. Right? Because 40% off, 0.4. Fonso, you got it? Okay. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 28. Move it over one time. 28, right? This is how much you're going to...
6 times 4 is 24.
Yeah, and then this is 26, right? Yeah, thank you. That's how much you're going to save. Then, second step, 65 minus 26, right? 15, 5. This gives us 39. All right, that's our first percent. Now we got to do the second percent. So 39 times, yeah, your new price. 0.1.
Yay, I did the shortcut correctly.
Gotta line up the decimals. Uh, 10 minus 9 is 1, 5, 35, 10. So if you did the shortcut, or you did it the long way, at the end, we all get the same answer. If we did it correct. And if I did it correct. Did you guys match me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is called double discount. Double discount. There is a shortcut. Now, like I said, you can use the shortcut on simple discount when it's only 1%. If you don't feel comfortable with the discount, cool, don't use it. Don't use the discount. All right.
Is that another worksheet?
Of course, every day is your life in math. No, worksheet. Word. Correct. Yeah, they are. Yeah, we measured them third period.
They are?
Yeah. We measured both screens. Yes.
You got it 160 right there.
Hold on.
Your hands are from here, just can you?
Yes. So it's like what's
We need one more.
how much you save in total? You would add these two for like the grand total for saving.
That's just your finger.
Okay, come on. We need extra worksheets, and I know I gave you a lot. Thank you.
That's something like an adding 10% off. Well, so I can buy it.
Come on. Anthony, do you have extra worksheets in there? Not Anthony. Frank, give one to Anthony. They did that on purpose. All right, it's your classwork. Let's do the first one together. Okay, you can totally tell how old this worksheet is. Okay? I've been teaching this for quite some time now. So I'm thinking when I first developed this worksheet, PS2 was the latest game.
You're old.
Yeah?
PS2.
PS2 is on sale at a store for 20% off the regular price of $300. Miss Lamelia has a coupon for an additional 10% off the already marked down price. What is the cost
Of the jacket.
PS2 after the 2 discounts are taken? There's going to be some typos, but I don't have this worksheet anymore as a Word document. I have it as a PDF, so I can't edit. So, first step, 300 times, is there a mistake too?
It's super cool, awesome.
Oh yeah. That's usually how I would write all my math problems, like super cool, awesome, super cool, sporty. Yeah. Yeah. Jeffrey.
You know, you can just do, like, when you're in it, you can just do save as Word, then you can make edits there.
But I can't save a PDF as a Word.
You could just screenshot it and edit it to the screenshot.
Yeah. Wait, Angel, that would not
How would that work?
Or you can't just redo the worksheet.
Yeah, so I wrote this out of PS2 and I have yet to rewrite it after so many years. I don't think this is going to be the year. I don't think so. No, I don't. All right, so what are we going to multiply in the first problem?
0.2.
You can do 0.8. You can do 0.2. Up to you.
How do you get 0.8?
Because they're doing the shortcut. If it's 20% off, what percent are you paying then? 80%. Because remember, percents are out of 100.
Oh!
So if they take away 20%, you still have to pay 80%. So they use 80% instead of 20%.
That's the shortcut.
That's the shortcut.
Even
That's what I'm saying. All the other kids are just doing 2. So, but you have to realize, like, okay, 20% off. So what percent are you paying? 80, which is 0.8. Do you understand that? We went over that. It's okay. As long as you get it now.
What were you thinking of when you made this to put jacket?
No, this is, no, listen. This is what happens. I use this same exact problem. I save it, and I just change like the percents to make a brand new worksheet.
Is it gonna be on our homework? So then what are we gonna do for such and everything we learn is on our homework.
Yeah,
I know, but like doing your homework,
You-
Jefferson, no.
Well, that's Jefferson. All right. So the next percent says an additional 10% off. So if it's 10% off, what percent is still there? 90. So we're going to put 0.9. Do you guys see that?
No.
That is the shortcut. So instead of doing like a percent, then a subtraction, notice we're not subtracting anymore. We skipped that step
How'd you get 9 then? Yeah,
because it's 10% off.
oh wait, never mind, I got it. And then there's 9 times 4 is... Oh, it just takes off the subtraction.
You basically do 100% minus 10%. Oh, 90% is what you
Got it.
pay. But
Miss Labelli.
Okay, there, I got...
What's up with the second question?
yeah, they all have typos. They all have typos.
You did the exact
18,
same
19,
thing
20, 21.
as the first question.
Correct.
Just put the jacket up there.
Mhm.
How do you get it that mixed up?
You don't, okay, I'm trying to explain it to you, but because you're not a teacher and you don't understand how teachers make worksheets, it's never going to make sense to you. When you're older, maybe it will.
Yeah, bro, don't
But if I make a worksheet, does that classify me as a worksheet maker? So I
Yes.
understand it?
Yes.
Oh, so that's easier.
You basically recreate, like your homework. Some of the problems look exactly the same because we just reuse it, just change the numbers, print it. Here, I try to change the numbers plus change the words, but I forgot to change the word in the second sentence. Yes? You can go back and subtract it. Like, originally 300. My new price is 216. So I save $84,
Oh.
right?
That's easy then.
All right, let's keep working. Let's keep working.